Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Teachable detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect with Teachable, start by visiting the Teachable website. Click on the Get Started button to create an account. Fill out the required fields with your name, email address, and a secure password. After submitting your information, check your email for a verification link. Click on the link in your email to verify your account. Once verified, log in to your Teachable account. Navigate to the dashboard, where you'll find various options for course creation. To integrate your payment gateway, click on the Settings tab in the left sidebar. Select Payments from the drop-down menu. Choose your preferred payment processor, such as PayPal or Stripe, and follow the prompts to connect your account. After setting up payments, return to the dashboard and click on Courses. Click on the New Course button to start creating your first course. Fill in the course title and description to give potential students an overview. Customize the course by adding sections, lectures, and multimedia content. To enhance your course, consider adding quizzes or assignments for students. Once your content is ready, click on the Publishing tab. Set your course visibility to either public, private, or unlisted. Finally, click the Publish button to make your course live on the platform. To connect with your audience, explore the Email section under the Marketing tab. Create email campaigns to keep students engaged and informed. Consider joining Teachable's community forums or social media groups for additional support. Keep your course updated with fresh content to attract new. Monitor your course analytics to assess student engagement and success. Engage with your students through comments or feedback options to foster a better learning environment. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to connecting with Teachable and launching your online course. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.